Engaging conversations. The power of open-ended questions in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. In today's video, we're diving into the world of open-ended questions, a crucial tool when discussing routines and habits. This will not only improve your conversational skills, but also your understanding of English. Open-ended questions are queries that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. They require more thought and more than just a one-word answer. By using open-ended questions, you invite others to share more information, thoughts, and opinions. This leads to a more interesting, engaging, and informative conversation. The purpose of using open-ended questions is to explore, understand, and get more detailed information. They stimulate more conversation, provide opportunities for further questions, and can help to develop better understanding and deeper relationships. When you ask these types of questions, you show that you're interested in the other person's thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Here are a few examples of open-ended questions related to routines and habits. 1. What do you usually do after waking up in the morning? 2. Can you tell me about your daily exercise routine? 3. What hobbies do you enjoy the most, and why? 4. How does your weekend routine differ from your weekday routine? These questions encourage the listener to share more about their daily life, which can make the conversation more engaging and informative. Creating your own open-ended questions is a valuable skill. Start with who, what, where, when, why, or how to ensure that the question requires a detailed response. For instance, instead of asking, "Do you like reading?" which can be answered with a yes or no, you might ask, "What kind of books do you enjoy reading and why?" By practicing this technique, you can improve your conversational English dramatically. And that's all for today's video on open-ended questions. Remember, the key to conversational English is to engage, inquire, and share experiences. Open-ended questions are a fantastic tool to achieve this. Practice them daily, and you'll soon see an improvement in your conversations. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope that this video has been helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and expanding your English skills.